Mic check, mic check. How is the mic? Okay. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Okay. I guess it's working. So, drop frames is okay. Check the filters. Okay, we're good to go. So, okay, so day 15 of streaming. I'm making a real estate full stack application, and we are done with the landing page. But it needs being adjustments. It needs some adjustments for all the screens, so it's mobile friendly, and the menu is working fine. Let's take a look. The menu is working fine. On all screens, it's showing like this, fully mobile friendly, and yeah, once on desktop, it looks like this. And also the hero section is also okay. On tablet it works. Search. Then yeah, this needs to be closed. And here, this one had some issue. The pictures were not stable, and here some pictures were more in height, and the fix for this was, I need to find it because I did it separately. Feature properties, postcard. Yeah, this one here somewhere. This is the house, yeah, house card. And in house card there was I have these changes, small changes. Yeah, so here house card, and so this property aspect video fixed the inconsistent behavior, which I will show now, like this. So we had this issue. Some pictures were inconsistent for this, for example, because it has more height, and I tried setting the fixed height on this to fix this, but it was not reliable solution. So I found this aspect video class in Tailwind, which is just simply like a CSS property, like aspect ratio 16:9, and once this applied, this is fixed, and it also works perfectly on all screens. So this section is done as well, and this is the most problematic section which I had to deal with last stream, which I deleted actually because I spent too much time on this. I couldn't fix this. So the issue with this was that I implemented like a custom pagination on previous streams, And it was cool, it worked, but still, like when you're reinventing the wheel, you just spend much more time on it, and I think it's not worth it. And instead of doing it, I thought like maybe try to set up the Swiper.js. Um, wait a sec, this one. So, and I set it up, and I had the issue. Where is it? For this component locations. And yeah, I mean, basically, I was following the documentation of Swiper here, and here they're suggesting to import the styles like this. And I tried importing it, and as you can see, we have this issue. And I tried many different things, like it still couldn't resolve it. I think it's related to TypeScript, and or the way that this is a Byte project, or maybe the way the Byte imports the modules. So basically, this solution helped. Swiper bundle CSS. And the worst thing about this was that I spent a really long time on this, couple of hours debugging this. So yeah, maybe it helps someone else just to remember this. Finally, the solution was I went to the node modules and found this swiper, and just trying to import each file that I need. This, for example, like .css, so it worked basically. Or I hope it did, because yeah, the error disappeared, but yeah, maybe the class styles are not being applied, but still, like it works kind of. Yeah. So this, what we want to do is like these two dots here. They were the ones that we created, and I want to delete them now. These are the ones. Let's get rid of them and let's check. Yeah. So these are swipers dots. So we're good to go. Now, what do we need? I'm not sure, to be honest. We need to like follow no, I mean, it seems like pretty straightforward following the documentation of Swiper, but yeah, I was following it yesterday as well, and it took me like really 3 hours to debug it. So yeah, for now, yeah, let's check one thing. Slides per view, we have 3. Basically, we want 6. Okay, like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6. But paginated data is also 6. Where is it coming from? Paginated data. Okay, space between, pretty straightforward, right? Slides per view, navigation, clickable through, draggable through, on swiper. Yes. This function works. On slide change, this function works. And paginated data, let's do it like this paginated data, which we turn. It's a use memo function, and it Items per page, items. Where are items coming from? Okay. We need to locate. Just don't remember. We need to locate our data. Items, displayed items. Where is it coming from? Okay. Okay, so yeah. Items per page. Use state, current page. Okay, we are setting displayed items with updating items. Updating items are remaining items. Okay, where is this items coming from? Items length. Okay. So we are using use pagination here, and we are passing cities. This is what we are passing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 cities. And but we are displaying 6 because we are limiting it here. So what if I just map over this? What will happen? Okay. Yeah. It works now. Yep, now it works. Yeah, we don't need this like extra complex logic like custom hook. For now, it was really cool trying to learn how to create it from scratch. But for now, just for the sake of finishing the project efficiently, we don't need it. But it's definitely a topic to learn. It's cool to have such tools in a pocket, just knowing how to create like tools from scratch really easily. So, what is this? The direction. Direction. Let's delete this. Now, what we need basically direction. Delete here as well. We don't need this animation. Okay, what do we need? We need now to make this look good. How to make this look good? Okay, so okay, first of all, let's maybe border here. Okay, let's just try playing with height. Okay. I set minimum height like this. Okay, so yeah, I mean, this works like this, but these two dots are in a bad place. Okay, we don't want scroll bar. Okay, scroll bar removed. We need pagination, let it be. Okay, what else? Okay, I'll try to add some classes. It doesn't work. Okay, let's try to check this in documentation. Maybe find something about styling. Okay, this is we are using pagination. Okay, need to find this pagination. No. Actually, Okay, I guess we could ask the Claude about styling it. Actually, DeepSeek. Let's ask DeepSeek. Let's try this. Nope. Okay, so I'll create CSS here, CSS file.
Step into Wix Studio, the platform for agencies and enterprises, and turn website layouts into an art form.
Okay, so like this, the dots have just disappeared. Why did it disappear? Let's check. Okay, so now they appeared. Really weird. Okay, so we created the custom CSS locations. And to apply this, we need okay, so it worked, but it just disappeared. Let's see, custom bullet. how it works, but yeah, looking ugly. Yeah, I think it's much better like this. Yeah. Yep, this is much better. Now we need to make this look better on smaller screens. Okay, so we continue. Okay. Okay, so this is interesting. On this mobile screen, we are displaying only one. Let's take a look at something. Slides per view, 1. Let's say we set it to 1, okay? Okay, so the swiper has the breakpoints field, which we can adjust, and it's really nice. Okay, let's go to breakpoints fields. Actually, I could search it here. Breakpoints. Like this. Slides. Okay, breakpoints. By default, we have 6. And on smaller screen, we want 1. What's wrong? Okay. So this should work. Yep. Yep, this works. Now the thing is, it needs to be centered. Like, it's not centered. For centering, okay, let's see. Yeah, it worked, and I just try to understand how did this work. Edit CSS for better centering. Edit with 100%. Okay. Swiper container. Here. Okay, so on mobile it works, but on tablet plus the size is not okay on here. On tablet, let's see. I just wonder how it understands that this swiper, this class should be applied to real swiper. That's the question. Okay, so swiper is automatically applied to swiper library when you use the swiper component from Swiper React. It creates a div with the class swiper by default. Here's how it works. Okay. Now it's clear. Okay, so basically we can style it however we want. Now the issue we have is this is the issue. Just swiper slide. Let me see, border. Yeah, this is what we want to style. Okay, so let's delete this border and now let's go to location plate. We need it to be like this. So we have it, okay. So it's fixed size and on bigger screen it just displays two of this. So let's set max height, max width, 100 pixels. Let's see, but how much is this? This is 400, let's say. I think this is good. And the height. Let's set height to how much? Height is even more, 500. minimum height 500, better. Even, yeah, please. But yeah, so on medium we should make it smaller. Okay, so on, let's go here, and on these things, like medium is 700. Okay, so we're gonna break to 2 slides per view on this. Before that it's gonna be 1. So before that it's 1. Gonna break here. Okay, this is much better. Out here, let's check the width. The width is 350. Okay, so mobile size works. It goes to here it has problems. No. Okay, here. On this one it should be 3. Like this. But on full screen it should be 6. we need on this one 1280 pixels. Here we need this to display 6. Here should display 6. Yeah, basically like this. Yeah, but the problem with this now is like it's setting the minimum height for this. Too much. Let's set it here. Min height. It's set to 300 pixels. Yeah, this is much better, like way better. Except this one. 100 property. Yeah, I guess it's much better like this. Okay. Okay, I guess we can move on to the next one, which will be this one. This is... Yeah, let's check here. Okay. We have it becoming flex on large screen. Let's find the services. Maybe change like this. Yeah. a little bit padding is needed, horizontal padding, like this, I guess. So let's try setting the flex row on medium. Yeah, I guess it works, except yeah, we don't need advanced search here. Okay, I don't want this to have this. Yeah, we're good to go here as well. Okay, done with this section. Can move on here. Okay, so on mobile it looks nice. And what if we switch this? Okay, so we have differences here. Okay, first of all, it is rounded, it's nice. And I think the only difference is here. Our benefit. Okay, just a second. Hey everyone, am I audible? Hey, so, hey everyone, thanks for watching. I just checked the comments, I was like, didn't have the access to chat. Hey Phil, good to see you. And yeah, like, back finally after a week, haven't streamed, so trying to finish the landing page. And I guess it's almost done. It's almost done, so trying to have these finishing touches and then maybe start working on the dashboard and authentication. So I guess I need to have to figure out which authentication tool I will have to work on. So yeah, it will be cool. It's gonna be cool. So now, where are we? We are here on the section, and let's take a look. So we need a little bit padding left here. Yeah, and also I want to choose some good looking font because I don't like this one. So where are we? Service plate. We don't need services. We move to benefit section and non-benefit section. We can add a little bit padding. Let's do like, not this one actually. We need, let's take a look at this. Yep. Okay, this padding is okay. Like this, it's okay. Okay, so it has, I guess, max width set. Yeah. What if we, where is this? It's good like this. Okay, benefit box here. Here we go. This is the one. This is the one we need to adjust. So why does it do it? Okay, so proven expertise. Item start, that's the thing, I guess. Let's do like this. Item start should be on a bigger screen. Before that, it won't be. Item start, so they'll be full screen like here. And all we need to do here is make the paragraph. This one, not title, but this one. Not be like, let it be max width, yeah, on a bigger screens. So let's test. On a phone screen, it looks okay. We will raise this, and it keeps get expanded like this. Where are we? Here. So yeah, I guess. And on the bigger screens, it looks okay. Except on the bigger screen, I don't want like too much padding. So padding X maybe 0. No, that's the wrong thing, I guess. Okay, this one, I guess. Yep. Let's do 80. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this will work for us. Except this. We missed this. This image has to have the right corner rounded. On the top pixel. Around the left. On Excel, we want rounded top right to be none. Yep, this looks good. Okay, so in this case, this section is done. And move on to this one. Agents. Agents look good on a smaller screen. And what happens on the bigger screen? Smaller screen looks good. Okay, it should become grid. And in our case, it doesn't become. Okay, let's go to quickly fix this. Our team. It's flex column, and let's do on this one. Medium, let it be grid. Grid calls like columns too. Let's try. Yeah, nice, works. But this one is a little bit tricky. It would be great if it switched to like even before. So to have something like okay, let's go to Claude and ask. I want to add a screen size, custom screen size. Breakpoint. No, not in Swiper. I want to add a custom breakpoint in React Tailwind. Okay, custom breakpoint. Let's see, like custom breakpoint. Okay, sure. So if I can just inline do it. For this case, I would do inline instead of medium. Okay, 300 pixels like this. Say mini medium breakpoint. Let's go to Tailwind. Screens. mini MD, let's say I'm gonna set it on 400, I guess. 440, let it be. Okay, let's try. Yeah, it definitely worked, but too early, I guess. Let's set to 540, 540. Okay, this is our vacation, and it is the inspiration website. Here it should not break. Let's raise it. Okay, here it should break. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so okay. It's good like this. Here it should display already 4 on the screen side, but it doesn't. Okay, so let's go back. And on a bigger, let's say flex, like this. Yep, nice. This will work for us. No, not like this actually. What's this? Flex row. On LG. Like this. Yeah, it's nice. This will work for us. This section is done as well. This section is done. Yeah, maybe just animations will be needed to be adjusted. Just let's take a look at. Yeah. Okay, just let's go to employee card and where is this thing? Yeah. So Excel max width. Not Excel max width, on large. We already can set it, yeah, here. Much better. Yep, good. Okay, so then we have this section, scrolling companies. We have it here on the smaller screen. I guess it's okay, we could just leave it how it is. Works on all screens, so we can move to blog section. Let's take a look at the smaller screen. It's okay here. Let's take a look here. They have the pagination first, but it's okay. I guess we will not use it. We will live with this. So, okay, let's see. When does it change? Okay, let's go. And I will set it blog post to become row on a medium, not Excel. Or large, not medium. Here. And gap maybe set on large, set gap 6, 5, like this. And we need a little bit adding to the left. For this. Or maybe even 2. Okay. This works for us. Blog posts work. And that's it, or no? this seems too small. I guess it's okay. Okay, just let it be for now, like this. Okay, here is pagination. Actually, we could do pagination, please. Will be something like this. Let it be for now, like this. Okay, let's go to one of the most important things we have here is footer, which needs to be adjusted. Just take a look at here, mobile footer. It's the way it should be. Okay, let's say this section is okay. This one. And okay, so this should be like not so, it should be like a drop down, yeah. Do we want it to do it? I guess no. Just let's go to footer and categories, find the categories. It is here in address info or no? Yeah, it's here. So let's do a margin top 5, say 8. Okay, and on medium we don't need margin top. Let's see how will it look. Okay, on medium this should be flex row, like this. No, not this one actually. I guess we should search for this here. Let's go. Self flex row. Okay, let's set to medium flex row. Okay, actually this needs a lot of work here. It should be flex rep, I think. Or if we set it like, let's test. Yeah, like this. And let's say on large screen, make it flex. Yeah. So we have a grid here. Like this. And yeah, on a large, no, not large, but Excel screen, we have some issue here, I guess. Excel flex row. Padding X. No, not this one. Put the icons. We need this address info. So, okay. Okay, so okay, this one should be already flex. The icons, this one. On large, it should be flex row. Not the, yeah, like this. Okay. It's better. I guess this looks okay. It's just we need to, yeah, not to forget this one. Set to 20 as well. Yeah. And yeah, just this looks ugly. Need to fix this. Let's go for this. And what do we need here? Maybe try to set gap first. 5, 6. Yeah, this is okay. What if we don't have justify? No, okay, no need for this. Okay, I think this looks better now. Actually, the icons are ugly. I need to change the icons. These are the old icons. Okay, I'll do it later. No need to spend time on it now. Okay, so I can say that the work on the landing page is done for now. Yeah, like the small like cosmetic repairs needed, like setting up the good font is the and also fixing these buttons, which actually could require a lot of time. Such things like really like take up a lot of time. But for the sake of progressing with the project and finishing it, we need to move on and not spend time on this. For now, we already like spent, I don't know how many hours, 30 hours, I guess, on this landing page. So yeah, the next thing, what will be the next thing? That's the question. Maybe trying to working on dashboard instead of creating, and then we can start creating APIs, setting up the backend. The next thing I think would be interesting to work on a dashboard and also the sign up, the authentication. So yeah, that will be the next thing. Streaming already 1 hour 40 minutes for now. I will end the stream for now, and the next stream, by the time I'm gonna find out, make some investigation for some interesting tools which we can use for authentication. And once authentication is done, I think the one stream will be for specifically implementing authentication, and after that we can start working on dashboard. Yeah, that is the plan. Then after that, creating APIs and populating with real data. So yeah, that's the plan. Moving on. Okay, so thanks for watching. We were